by 5 plus 8.
2.
2 divided by 5 plus 8.
I want the answer for this by using Excel. So you share your screen and then show me the answer for this one.
1 minute. Permission send, ma'am.
What was the question? I have written in the chat box. Execute it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it's 40.
It is
40.
40. So now you are practicing what? How to get the value of various mathematical expressions. So if your teacher is going to give you this type of question in the practical, so you will be able to do this.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you are
Ma'am,
doing? You are simply writing here is equals to. What you are doing here?
is equals to.
Just adding here in front of all the expression you are writing here is equals to. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you are doing the mathematical operations you are performing. Now, you can also perform operation like this one. So this is my heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. And I am applying one formula. What is there in this cell? This is my cell, this is my cell, this is my cell. Instead of writing value, what is writing I am here? I am writing here cell address. What I am writing here?
Cell address.
Cell address. Now, do one thing. In the B5, put 5. And in the C5, put 10. And in the A5, put 15. And this result is to be displayed in E5.
Okay, ma'am.
Show your screen quickly. Put the values in
Ma'am,
A5.
ma'am, it's already.
Chalo. In the
Okay,
B5,
ma'am.
put 5. C5, 15. A5, 15. Now, in the E, don't go to D. In the E, go to E5 and apply your sum formula. What is sum formula? Sum means adding of. This. Where is sum?
There, ma'am.
Sum.
What are we supposed to wait, ma'am?
Apply the formula sum here.
I'm not coming, ma'am. Doing.
Apply the formula quickly.
What, ma'am? What formula, ma'am?
I am asking you to do the sum of A5, B5 and C5. So how you will do the sum? Sum means what? Addition. What is the meaning of sum?
Addition.
Addition. So you are supposed to add all the 3 columns. A5, B5 and C5. How you are going to apply the formula?
Equal sign.
So write there. Then
Wait.
So you are supposed to get the result in E5. Get the result. Result should be there in E5.
Oh, how, ma'am? Not coming.
So see what is the value of this one. See the your formula bar. So write here 15. Now go there. Now what you are supposed to do? 54. We are supposed to write here
E
is equals to.
is equal to E54.
Then what is the cell number of 15? What is the cell address of 15?
A5.
Right there. Are you able to see that is now highlighted? Plus, which is the next one?
B5.
Next one. Hmm.
30, ma'am, I got. How,
Now you got.
ma'am? Ma'am, dinner is ready, ma'am.
Wait. So this is what it is written here, how to add the formula. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you will do is, so you will do this exercise. In the Excel, you are supposed to write these values.
Yes,
Create the
ma'am.
same file like this. And then you will perform this.
Okay, ma'am.
What okay? Have I given you the question?
Yes, ma'am. You said all the questions are in the exercise, ma'am.
It is not there. This is not exercise. It is practice question. You are
That.
supposed to perform like this. You will create an Excel file like this. You will write the quantity. You will write the unit price, and then you will calculate the total cost. And here also you are doing the total.
Right. Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Did I ask you to go?
Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Then sit quiet. So this is what you are supposed to do. Print screen. You will create this Excel and you will send me.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen, ma'am.
I'm showing you. Don't panic. It is there on the screen. So you will apply here. So now you know how to calculate sum. Okay. So
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
so this, so are you able to see your WhatsApp?
Ma'am, I don't have any phone with me, ma'am. They all took, ma'am.
Okay, wait. So I have given on your chat that exercise you are supposed to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, okay then.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.